Hello everybody, and I am back on Dipby, and it is Cute Girl Part 6. I was a trapper last, and there's this guy that we were supposed to be teaming with. Did not work out very well, because that's why I don't team very often. Well, there was one person that actually killed him. Well, might have. I didn't really watch him play for the longest. Gosh, stop it, triangle. The triangles! Oh my god, it's gonna make your triangle stop. Okay, hi. Hi. Also, I was teaming with number 1 on the leaderboard. And I really hate these annoying things. I think they're called crashers. Yeah, they're called crashers. Yeah, I know they're called crashers because they try Oh my gosh, please. I want to just get back to my old home. My old house. So I can kill the guy that killed me. If somebody doesn't kill me after. Let's just say that. Okay, so I haven't died yet. Again, really? Don't you shoot at me. I found a sprayer trying to kill me right now. Auto spin? Why is auto spin off? Well, all I want to do is go back to my house. A little one. Yeah, it's little. It's a little one with the outdoors. The door that leads outside that I could possibly block. That's a land. Bye. I don't like you. You're a mom. Now, of course this has to happen. Guys, this happens to me all the time. I found my house. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? There's a sprayer after me. If I can just trick him into teaming with me and then kill him, that sounds like an evil idea. Never mind, it won't work. Yes, I get lag a lot. And let me come with you. And then there's more sprayer darts at my face. Why do this have to happen? What the? Oh, whoa, hold on. Dude, I'm waiting to heal. Don't fan me. There you go. I'm healing a little bit. I healed a little bit. Oh my gosh. I'm going away from everybody that's annoying me. And there was a little bit of a slow down spot. No, not landmines. I want to kill you. Can I kill you? So that was fun. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. Dude, that's not the kit to get a streamliner, if that's what your name is. Liza. Who's Liza? Also, guys, yesterday everybody, like, literally, yesterday at night, everybody had my name. Stop it. Oh no, I don't want the landmine dying. Because he's my friend. I forgot to my, hi, Olaf. Olaf. Oh, hi. I don't usually speak Spanish too often, but I think that means hi. Like, literally, if there's a smasher spike at half health, wait, what's a smasher spike? Oh, right, now you're right here. Disco tacos. Hey, I remember that thing. Like, you see what this little dude is doing? It was like, dun 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 dun. That was fun. That was actually really fun. I did not expect to die to a boot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I can get what happened to my game. Are you freaking kidding me? Where is my the fallen? I don't think there's a fallen hybrid buddy. I just already know that it's a hybrid, okay? Because, like, you see, if you play this game with me, and you, and you took my name, like, a million times, well, a few of them had hearts. That was nice, and, like, it was annoying, too. But, stop taking my, Nope. What? Well, hold on. I just got shot. A dart just went straight through me, and I took no damage whatsoever. God. You can't eat. Dude, this dude's trying to hit me. No, your darts are too slow. I'm just gonna shoot again because it's funner, and you have to aim. Always, aiming always, not again. Okay, guys, don't mind that log me on to the 15-minute thing. Because, like, it's just like, I'm a kid, and I have to go to school sometimes. You know? Dude, you just totally missed me. I actually like how when you spin to team as an observer or something, you actually get, like, the triangles to spin too. Are you kidding me? Stop annoying me now. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, good job, buddy. To be honest, what I was actually going to do is 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like it's the exact same speed, but it's not. You notice that it has to be way faster. By the way, guys, if you don't want to be killed by a booster, as in, right, observer thingamajiggy. Are you freaking kidding me? I wanted that kill. Shadow. Oh no. Not that oh no. Not the lag. Not the lag. Not the lag. Whenever there's lag, I feel like something bad just happened. I mean, literally, people. When there's lag, I literally just feel like something bad happened. 703, what do you need to be on 15, points to be exact? Okay, so I know if somebody's level 15, if they have, like, a level 15 tank, or if they're more, because of, like, okay, so, like, 800, I think. No, 790. I think it's 790. Come on, people, who wouldn't be? If you shoot me, we're not going to be friends. If you try ramming me, you're not going to be friends. Only two things, okay? Also, friends means don't kill each other. I don't know why my mouse doesn't work. The mouse. Give me a sniper rifle. I want a sniper rifle. My mom won't let me have a sniper rifle. Why? Because she says it's dangerous. I thought shotguns weren't dangerous. Maybe they are dangerous. I thought shotguns weren't dangerous, and my mom says shotguns are dangerous. Hey, you little kid, shotguns are dangerous. Are you kidding me? Did you really shoot me for no certain reason? Are you kidding me? I just died again. This is the worst day of my life. I will get you back. I will try to get you back. What the heck is that noise? I mean, literally. Are you kidding me? I just got rammed. That was fun and easy. It was just really fun and easy. I was just like, hi XI, while we were technically teaming earlier today. This dude, he just thought, dude, thank you for killing him for me, and now I'm gonna kill you. Are you kidding me? What are you doing? Don't kill me. I will kill you. I am shooting darts. Why can I not hit you? Oh, right. I'm a horrible at this. That's not English. Team, please. I do not like teamers in FFA. Teamers in FFA ruin FFA. FFA is for free-for-all. Why do people even try teaming in FFA? FFA is for free-for-all. FFA is for free-for-all. Why do people still team in FFA? As in free-for-all. Let's go! Dot it! 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 Hey, what happened? I just noticed that my darts go straight through pentagons. Also, guys, hope you all have a nice day, and see you guys all next time.